With this method, you will learn how to freeze your homemade cinnamon rolls in advance that will help you bake them off and ice them just in time to prepare a delicious breakfast for your family. What you will need. Now, all you have to do is roll out the dough, add the filling, and cut it into rolls instructions stated in the recipe you are using. However, rather than baking the rolls right away, you will freeze the unbaked rolls, then thaw and bake them later. Ingredients: a batch of cinnamon rolls. Equipment: plastic wrap, plastic bag, aluminum foil. Step-by-step instructions on how to freeze cinnamon rolls. Step 1. Follow your cinnamon rolls recipe and go through it usual. Step 2. Rather than baking the cinnamon rolls, bake them partway for 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure the rolls are raised and set, not browned. Check on them after 10 minutes. Step 3. Remove from the oven and let it rest to cool down completely. Step 4. Wrap the pan in 2 layers of plastic wrap or place them into a large Ziploc bag. You can freeze it for 8 hours or up to 6 weeks. Step 5. The night before you want to serve the rolls, take it out of the freezer, do not unwrap it, and thaw it overnight in the refrigerator. Step 6. When baking the roll for the next morning, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Unwrap and bake for 10 to 15 minutes until they are golden brown. Step 7. When frosting the rolls, follow your usual procedure. Serve and enjoy. Tips and tricks. Homemade cinnamon rolls. A disposable aluminum foil pan is the best pan to use for this procedure. You won't be needing to tie up your 9 inches pan while holding the cinnamon rolls in the freezer. However, you can freeze them in the pan, then remove them to rebag them and place them back in the freezer. Remember to seal or wrap them to avoid the chance of freezer burn. If you don't have a plastic wrap or plastic bag, use a double layer of aluminum foil. The cinnamon shelf life will last about 5 to 6 weeks only, even if it's in the freezer. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.